Bro, there is no way I have 2 days to pack up and completely move out my apartment. This is moving week. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. It's January 1st. Y'all hear me? It's January 1st, and this is what I got going on. It's January 1st. It's Thursday, January 1st, and I'm about to pack up my apartment. So excited! I hope I got enough boxes. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. I might have to run to Home Depot because ain't no way these is all the boxes. I do got these cubbies though. These is what I'm gonna bring to Corey house. What's gonna have my stuff in there. But what the freak? I need some boxes. A lot of boxes. Damn. We finna pack up my closet. Let's do it. Fast and you do what you want. I guess I know what I want. By Sunday midnight, you gotta be out. No, I move out tomorrow. Friday, you here tomorrow. My main thing is I need more boxes. I need to take my ass to Home Depot, and I don't know if they're open. Are they open on here? I can't find that for you. Box number 2. Getting somewhere. We got TT Mamas on the phone. She pulling up. That girl said she taking off tomorrow. A U-Haul or a public storage? It's 2951 Northeast Expressway, Jeremy Tucker. Packing all these fucking shoes up right now. Don't wear half these fucking Jordans. Do you still got your last shots? Black socks? Oh yeah. Absolutely. Okay. You tripping. They hit next. I don't know if y'all need to get in the couches now. Yep, I'm moving the hell up. All the Nipsey shit under the couch. Bro, what in the YN just happened? That was very crazy. I asked one of them how old was they, and he said 19. I was nervous, baby. I thought just 2 was pulling up. I seen 1 come in, 2, then the 3rd one, they all in black. Is you crazy? 1 got a dermal in they all. Then he talking to my vlog.
Hey. The biggest 5 got everything good out there. You know what I mean?
Facebook Market sent them, but baby, that shit is going. Oh, nothing. Had to make a Home Depot stop. So I'm probably gonna get 3 more extra larges for my clothes. Can't help me. 3 more larges.
You got the stuff right here to get for the dishes.
Ugh.
This is some foam. This is for the like
same
plates.
thing?
Yeah, putting plates down. Whatever. Oh, this one got up to 40 glasses.
You gonna get 2 of them? They fucking $16. Newspapers is 2, but I'm Tom Cruise. What do you call me? Terry Crews. Now we have to find putty for the wall. I don't know where these people at. Excuse me. Excuse me. Jakora, come on. You're such a child, bro. Child. Okay, I don't know what type of mud to get. All dry wall repairs, maybe. Goes on pink, dries white. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Bingo! It come with the whole spatula, so that's what we gonna do. That's what we gonna do when we out of here. Ain't that right, Jakora? She just loves it here. Oh, okay, so I do want to give y'all a little update of what's going on. It is currently 11:57, so it's going on 12 o'clock. It's about to be January 2nd, and I'm still packing, and I still have so much to do. I still have to do the kitchen, everything that's in all the cabinets, under the sink, in the pantry, in the refrigerator. I do still have to pack up the bathroom as well. Really, the issue is my room. For my room to be so small, it has so much shit in there, and it's really just clothes and shoes that's been stored. So I'm pulling it all out, and it just it's irritating me. Let me show y'all. So y'all can see the closet is done. I have boxes right here. I have a hanger box. Packed that box down with some shoes. I'm finishing up some more clothes. I'm packing a tote, whatever I'm finna take to Corey house. I gotta fold them up and figure out what I'm bringing and not bringing. More clothes I need to pack. More clothes I need to pack. More clothes I need to pack. All this I have to pack up. So I'm not gonna lie, that's my last thing I'm doing tonight. Y'all, what the freak? It is the next morning. It's freaking move out day. Oh my gosh, it's currently a little bit after 8. I'm finna get up, get out these clothes, put on some new clothes for the day. I believe Tiara will be pulling up around 10. She said I believe she'll be here, so that'll be perfect. We're gonna head to grab the U-Haul and go. We're basically gonna go U-Haul and storage hunting because I haven't did that yet. I need to go find a storage location and a U-Haul location. So come on, let's get active. Let's pack this shit up. Oh, Nipsey want to say good morning. Say good morning, Dookie. No, don't start. You excited? How you feeling? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know.
Calm me down when I lose it. You said either way I'm.
Quick update, we just pulled up to a storage spot. It looks like it's a third-party business. They associated with U-Haul. I just asked about the storage space. How much will the storage space be? The special is great. For a 5x8, it is $56, and then for the first 3 months it's half off, which means it'll be $20-something a month, which is great. That's all I need, right? So yeah, we finna do a tour and he finna show us real quick. This is so new to me. I've never put anything in storage. So there you go. We got TT pulled up to help. Ja'Cory pulled up. Dun, dun. Okay, this is the 5x8. And the mattress could fit in here, you said? Yeah. That'd be it though, you know what I mean? Okay, so we did end up pulling up to another storage place. This is Extra Space. That's what this called? Mm-hmm. Okay, extra Space. They had a better deal than the other spot, basically. They only had a special for that little storage room that we seen, and that wasn't gonna work for me. Over here, they got a 5x10 that is going for $41 a month. So, y'all, oh my gosh. I'm about to drive the big body U-Haul. Let's see if this baby crank up or whatever. See what I mean? This bitch is not. Okay, 1, 2. God! BRB. Okay, update. The truck did start up. I just had to tweak some things real quick. It's not the easiest to twist, but I just had to put some oomph to it. We finna hit the road, Jack. Get this party started. Alright, so we back at the crib. We back at the spot, getting active. TT getting active in the kitchen. Let me show y'all the kitchen, bro. The kitchen literally looks a freaking mess. But TT finna get it together. It's like, it look like it don't be much until you start doing it out. What works? All this trash right here. These 2 boxes is trash. More trash. It's the living room coming along. Donation pal. This is going in storage. This is coming to courthouse. This layer right here. This gonna be the kicker. We need to do this before it get dark. Y'all look at. Yeah, this is what I'm saving for last, y'all. The hallway, outfit check, some cool or whatever, comfy or whatever. And then the room, ta-da! And the last time y'all seen it, right? Empty, look. Ooh. Oh, look. Ooh, don't play with that girl. Not one of them. But yeah, just wanted to give y'all a little update. It is currently 2:04, so we still on great time. We got the U-Haul outside. JJ done pulled up.
Yeah, JJ moving, man.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Thought I did that chop a lot. I see you, boy.
Look, me verse you and you know they picking. Cheap and expensive, you know the difference. You know that it's hitting, you know what it's giving. Hair, nails, bear. I can survive in the coldest conditions. Hoes very low, they told me they spin. This is wash, soap in the dishes. I apply pressure like ball constrictors. One bitch, 2 bitch, old bitch, new bitch. None of y'all bitches not gon' do shit. I'm in Miami, I pull up on cruise ship. You in Miami for us to room shit. What I step a stampede.
we moving right on time. It's sprinkling. It's finna rain like right now. That is crazy. So my good girl TT, what's she doing?
Look these hoes.
We show y'all before. All right.
Hands ash.
Okay, y'all. So I'm so motherfucking tired. I literally been on the go, on the move, like since what time? I got up at 8. Oh my god, since 8 this morning, and it's currently 10:30. And finally I can relax. I had to hurry up and get all the stuff to the storage. They close at 10. They're not 24 hours or whatever. So that was so much. I'm not gonna lie. I'm so tired. Unloading the truck, bringing all the stuff to the elevator, loading everything on the elevator, unloading the elevator, dollying everything to the space. But we did it. So I'm back at the apartment. I'm supposed to be out of here by 12. It's 10:30. I was gonna sit in my room on the carpet. I'm like, damn, I don't have nowhere to sit or sleep, take a nap. I mean, I could take a little nap, but I might as well just keep going. I have to clean up, wipe all the baseboards, sweep. I patched all the hose. Well, Tierra patched all the hose. We have to pack Nipsey up, and we ran out of tape, so we have to tape up 3 boxes. But other than that, I'm freaking done. Let me show y'all. So here's the living room. The TV's going. The hose is patched. The kitchen, this little miscellaneous stuff or whatever that I'm about to use to clean up. These are 3 boxes I was saying that we ran out of tape and has to go to storage. I'm gonna take that to my room. The pillows, all this is trash. This is all getting trash. We've been using that wagon right there to take everything to the trash. We have Dookie Butt here. He's the last person standing. Oh my god, Dookie Butt. Bathroom, empty. Pantry empty. I have to take this up as well. This is coming with me. This is all my hygiene stuff. I have to take these to the cleaners. That's trash. Everything in here is empty. Empty. And I tell y'all, I've been working. I have to clean all this. Hallway. Closet. Empty. Room is empty. Closet. Oh, I do have to get the internet box. All these pillows. I didn't have no bags and nothing to put them in. I have to find something to do with all my pillows. But yeah, room is empty. Hose is patched. I ain't never like left an apartment patching the hose. I don't know if it really works, but somebody did tell me, and the lease, they told me to make sure that I patch up my hose. I had asked her, I said, any move out tips? She said, make sure you patch all them hose. Now, however, we did not get a chance to take this mount off, so I'm a little concerned because that means it's still gonna be holes in the wall and they might still charge me. But yeah, that's what's going on. Like I said, I'm finna clean up, sweep, wipe all this shit down and get the hell on. I'm hungry as hell. On that note, I'm gonna end this vlog with me cleaning up the apartment real quick. And yeah, thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed today's vlog. It's the new year. I'm pretty sure there's plenty of people moving right now, so I hope this is relatable. But yeah, so I'm gonna catch y'all in next week's vlog. Bye.